West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is on an indefinite dharna in Kolkata's metro channel after yesterday a huge showdown happened between the centre and the state, where officials from the CBI had come to arrest the Kolkata Police Commissioner. Well, what really led to this unprecedented massive showdown? Well, there were rumours rife in Kolkata for the last 2 or 3 days saying that the CBI was out to arrest the police chief Rajiv Kumar in connection with the Sarda and the Rose Valley Ponzi scams. There were reports in the media saying that the police chief had been absconding and that also not attended a meeting of the Election Commission a few days ago. Now, on Sunday, which is the 3rd of February, the Kolkata police as well as Mamata Banerjee dismissed these reports saying that Rajiv Kumar was not absconding and that he was merely on leave for a day. So at around 4:50 p.m. on Sunday, about 40 officials from the CBI, 2 teams in fact, landed up outside the police commissioner's home. Soon after, teams of the Kolkata police reached the commissioner's home at a point when it seemed like the CBI officials would forcibly enter the house of the police commissioner. About 5 of these officials were forcibly picked up by the Kolkata police and put into police vans to be detained. Soon after, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee reached the spot, followed by top police officers, and there was also heavy police deployment outside the CBI's office in Kolkata. At around 8 p.m., the Chief Minister emerged from the house of the police commissioner and declared that this is an unprecedented attack on the federal structure of the constitution, and declared she is going to go on an indefinite dharna against the CBI and the central government, and that all her functioning, all her daily office work is going to happen from the dharna spot, from the dharna grounds itself. Since then, the CRPF has been deployed at the CBI headquarters and the police has moved out, and Mamata Banerjee was on dharna the entire night at Kolkata's metro channel. Now, many say this confrontation was in the offing, with the state government recently not allowing Amit Shah and Yogi Adityanath's choppers to land in the state when they had come to hold rallies. Some also say that the historic Brigade Parade rally on the 19th of January, which was a major show of opposition unity on Mamata Banerjee's call, was also something that irked the BJP. Opposition leaders from across the country have pledged their support to Mamata Banerjee, some of them even coming down to Kolkata today in order to stand beside her.